Hello, Stephen Leacock, staff and students. The Studio 6 crew and LTV would like to apologize for the unscheduled hiatus. But we're back. Enjoy today's episode.
Hello, Stephen Leacock. Welcome back to another episode of Student Talks. I'm your host, Nabiha, and this is
Mr. Brown, Mr. Peter Brown. I'm a guidance counselor here at the school, and I coach some wrestling. I'm a former national champion for the Canadian University Wrestling Championships, and I was a former Canadian club champion for Greco-Roman wrestling. Where I went to elementary school, we had a wrestling program for grade 4s. It seemed like a new program. It seemed like a lot of my friends were going out for it, so I made sure I went out for it too. When you have someone who's choosing to come out for a program on their own, they're coming with their own reasons for being motivated to sign up and try the sport or try the activity. There's something different with respect to when you're only able to count on you, as opposed to being in a team sport where you're not only counting on you, but other people around you. There's certain principles that apply. One example is you take a look at a person's stance, you see which leg is closer to you, that's their lead leg, then you try to circle towards the lead leg. As you circle to the lead leg, it creates angles that you can take advantage of and they can't. You tend to feel more successful and perform better when you have a plan and you follow through and execute it as you're involved in the event. Whether it's someone who's new as to one that's seasoned enough to be in the finals of OFSA, have fun, enjoy what you're doing. If you're enjoying it, you're more likely to want to get better at it. It's its own source of motivation.
Thank you for letting us interview you.
Well, thank you very much. I look forward to a few more years.
Big event between us and David and Mary Thompson. So this is a showcase event featuring 4 of our teams playing against 4 of Thompson's teams. We're starting with the girls soccer teams playing at 3 o'clock. After that, our ultimate frisbee teams will be playing at 4:30, followed by 6 o'clock junior boys soccer, and then the finale will be the senior boys soccer teams facing off. So I'm good friends with a couple teachers over there, Miss Manzo and Mr. Fortier. Mr. Fortier and I actually used to coach together a long time ago at another school, coaching football, and we actually did one of these nights back then. Down at Birchmount Stadium. I've actually done night games with a couple other of the schools that I've been at, and it's just a great time. It's a chance for the school to get out after hours, cheer on our teams. There's a lot of school spirit and community spirit. It's a ton of fun, and anybody who comes is going to have a great time.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bowers. Go Lions, go.